The flat necessity of it makes sailing its own satisfaction. It becomes physical. We fly, we feel, we calculate by sinew, flesh, and bones, and through the salty blood in our veins. We may be a degree closer to the black-backed gull. There, on arrival, are great white sheets of sand curving up into a barrier of dunes back of a pebbly beach. Where a beach buggy rolls along, scaring up clouds and crowds of terns and sanderlings in spinning flight. The Jeep stops and teenagers jump down and out, crying stridently. We anchor the boat just off the beach. The water is clear and cold. The dunes are sun reflectors, clean and warm, and we find whitish gray grasshoppers on them, flecked like the sand. Sailing back again in late afternoon, the boat goes fast and free before the wind over the water now turned green. A blend of blue sky and the yellow of a falling sun. The bay lies out like an enormous garden, patched with color and motion. The salt waters, full of latent power, ready with every kind of mood, flowing by and over, interwrought, crossing time and circumstance. We pass a clanging bell buoy. Evening comes on. Gold icicles on the water are turning and softening to shades of pink and purple. It is like striding over a wide land of peace and plenty before we tack into the harbor.